Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Gulfisha Firdaus Ahmed, Assistant Professor Computer Science from JNKVV College of Agriculture, Pawarkeda, Hoshangabad. Today's my topic is Introduction to Agri-Informatics and Components of Computer with their uses. Now, let me start from the definition of agri-informatics. Agri-informatics is a combination of agri and informatics. Agri-informatics is the application in agriculture with innovative ideas, techniques and scientific knowledge to expand the horizons of the computer science. It is information technology applied to management and analysis of agricultural data. What does mean by agri? Agri means field or related to the land. An example of agri used as a prefix is in the word agricultural, which means related to the culture and cultivating of the land. Informatics. Informatics is basically the study of the structure, behavior and interaction of natural and engineered computational system. The science of processing data for storage and retrieval information science. Now, let me start from the definition of computer. Charles Babbage is the father of computing. We all know. Computer is an electronics machine made of devices that enable you to enter data as an input, process it in the CPU, central processing unit, and store it in the memory and output the result. Computer explained in terms of operations like computer can perform operations like accept data, store data, process data as desired and retrieve the stored data as and when required and make the output in required format. Now, input process output model or input process output cycle. Let me give a very basic example that if you want to make a mango shake, you need a mango pulp, sugar and milk. It acts as a input in computer term. And process means chunking machine or mixer which will basically output a mango, that is in the form of mango shake. Now, fundamental structure of computer. The component of a computer system includes mainly three basic units: input unit, central processing unit and output unit. The CPU is itself made of three components, namely arithmetic and logic unit, control unit and memory unit. Now, let me explain in brief. Fundamental structure of computer includes the following units: input unit, devices like keyboard and mouse that are used to input data and instruction to the computer are called input unit. Input unit, keyboard is the input unit. Console is a typical info gadgets. A few kinds of standard console are as follows: XT, extended technology 83 keys, AT, advanced technology 101 keys, enhanced technology 103 keys. Now, this is the diagram of keyboard. Computer mouse. Computer mouse is also an input device. A computer mouse, plural mice or mouses, is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface as shown in figure below. Scanner. Scanner is input device with info gadgets. It can use to enter pictures, charts and different records in personal computer as well as permit sparing in various organizations. It is based on two principal segments: data capturing subsystem. It is considered to represent picture change over interested in optical shape. Image processing subsystem. It is considered to change over optical picture with advanced. Now, this is the diagram of types of scanners. There are so many types of scanners, but I discuss only two types. This figure shows the types of scanners. Now, joystick. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the device. It is controlling as shown in figure. Output unit. Devices like printer and visual display unit that are used to provide information to the user in desired format are called output unit. Visual display unit. VDU or screen is a yield gadget used to show information and data. It is a CRT cathode ray tube in which electron fire arm discharges electrons which gleam when strike the phosphor covered screen. Now, a printer is also an input device that prints paper document. This includes text document, images, or a combination of both. The two most common types of printers are inkjet and laser printer. Inkjet printers are commonly used by consumer, while laser printers are typically choice for businesses. Now, control unit. As the name suggests, this unit controls all the functions of the computer. All devices or part of computer interact through the control unit. All processor control signals are handled by a control unit. It coordinates all the information and yield stream, gets codes for guidelines from microprograms, and coordinates different units and models by giving control and timing signals. Arithmetic and logic unit. This is the brain of the computer where all arithmetic operations and logical operations takes place. Arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and logical operations like less than, greater than, equal to, these are included in logical operation. A maths rational unit, arithmetic and logic unit is a combinational advanced electronic circuit that performs number crunching and bitwise activities on whole parallel numbers. Now, memory unit. All input data, instructions and data in stream to the processes are stored in the memory. Memory are of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory reside within the CPU, central processing unit, whereas the secondary memory is external to it, like hard disk. And memories are made up of registers. Each register in the memory is one storage location. Storage location is also called as memory location. Memory locations are identified using addresses. The total number of bit a memory can store is its capacity. A storage element is called a cell. Each register is made of storage element in which one bit of data is stored. The data in a memory are stored and retrieved by the process called writing and reading respectively. Now, types of various units of memory. Byte. In a computer system, a unit of data that is 8 binary digits long is known as a byte. A byte is the unit that computers use to represent a character such as a letter, number, or typographic symbol, for example, H7 or $. A byte can also grasp of a string of bits that need to be used in some larger units of application processes. This shows the storage unit. Bit abbreviation is B, storage is 0 and 1, single bit. Nibble 4 bits. Byte combination of 8 bits. Kilobytes 1024 bytes. Megabytes MB 1024 KB. Gigabytes 1024 MB. Terabyte TB, that is 1024 GB, and so on. Now, characteristics of computer. To understand why computers are such an important part of our life, let us look at some of its characteristics. Speed. Typically, a computer can carry out 3-4 million instructions per second. Accuracy. Computer exhibits a very high degree of accuracy. Errors that may occur are usually due to inaccurate data, wrong instructions or bug in chips, all human errors. Reliability. Computers can carry out same type of computer work repeatedly without throwing up errors due to tiredness or boredom, which are very common among humans. Versatility. Computer can carry out a wide range of work from data entry and ticket booking to complex mathematical calculations and continuous astronomical observations. Storage capacity. Computer can store a very large amount of data at a fraction of cost of traditional storage of files. Also, data is saved from normal wear and tear associated with paper. Uses of computer. There are so many uses of computers. It is used in sciences, it is used in business, it is also used in government, and it is also used in defense and sports and in today's technological growing society, computer are being used in nearly every activity. Official statistic keepers and some scouts use computer to record statistics, get notes and chat online while attending and working at sports event. The best athletes pay close attention to detail. Computer can slow recorded video and allow people to study their specific movement to try to improve their tendencies and repair poor habits. Now, in this video, we understand what is agri-informatics and basic of computer and their uses. And with this, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.